We are here on the trig functions, right? We are given a function which is y is equals to cos 3x for x is an element from 0 degrees up to what 360 included, meaning this is our domain. We start here and then we end here. Start and then we end here, right? So this is our domain, right? So now here we are having a number here. Right, so what does this number does? It changes our what? It changes our period of our graph. Actually, it halves our graph, right? So or compresses it, right? So what should we do? So the thing that we must do, we must know that y is equals to what? Cos x. The period of this graph is 360 degrees because here there is what? 1. All right. So now here we are having another situation whereby here there is a what? There is a number which is bigger than what? 1. All right. So what must we do? We must the previous period, it was what? 360 degrees. So the new period, guys, it's simple. New period, we just take the previous period, which is 360, and then we divide it by what? We divide it by this number, which is what? 3. All right, and then after dividing by 3 on my calculator, yeah, I know we can get something like 120 degrees. All right, so that is my new period. So now this is my new period, but then previously the step that we used here was what? Was 90 degrees, meaning that we divided this 360 by what? By 4, because we have 4 quadrat, right? Yeah, we have 4 quadrat. So now this we're going to divide it by what? By 4, which we're going to get what? 30 degrees. And then after that, you take your calculator and then you say mode, and then you go to number 3, which is table, and then you say cos, and then 3, and then alpha, and then x, and then you close, and then equal sign, and then g of x, you write nothing, and then you start where? 360, 0 degrees, man, not 360, 0 degrees, and then you end where? 360 degrees, and then they say step, and then the step is what? 30 degrees, and then you write 30 degrees, and then so this is your graph, and then you just take this thing, you plot, and then you are done.